Yeah. So can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Then
Sir, can
yeah.
we tell the doubts we have in which?
Yeah. Please raise your hand, and then I will take the doubts. Yeah. So please raise your hand. Yeah. Yeah. So the priority is the first I will try to solve the mock paper questions, and then I will be able to take the other questions. I mean, yeah. So Vamsi, yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Good afternoon.
Sir, have a issue with question 22.
Yeah.
I can able to solve the first one. So after that, I2K, after that K2J, I just need that explanation.
Okay. Okay. So I have written that question number 22. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Do you have any other doubts?
That's it, sir. That's it.
Okay. Good. Yeah. Jacob.
So question number 23, sir. The second part. I got a different answer. Huh? That's right.
Okay. Next. Yeah.
So graded assignment 10 question number 2.
Did you go to the solution?
Yes, sir. But the solution is typical for that.
What happened?
GA 10 question number 2. Just one option of that.
Yeah. Okay. Next. Next. Ramba. Yeah. Yeah. What's I think Ramba 000009. You have any doubt?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Abhinav.
Abhinav. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I mailed you. There are 4 small codes in previous year question paper.
Yeah. Okay. So
4 small codes are there.
yeah, I will go through. So you have mentioned that questions. no?
I mentioned the page number are mentioned, question number are mentioned.
Okay. I will go through that. Okay.
Thank you.
Just remind me that.
Yes, me, sir. So I'm Jacob.
Yeah, Jacob.
Sir, I also have a doubt in question number 21.
Okay. Others? That's all? Okay. So if you have no any doubt, please lower your hand. And others, please mute. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Maria. Please.
Yeah, sir, I had a few questions which I actually got wrong for the mock. So there were 45 questions. Can I just list them? So can you help me out with them? Yeah.
Yeah. So you have doubt in mock paper, no? Mock paper.
Yeah,
question.
mock paper.
Please state the question number.
So question number 8.
8.
Yeah.
Okay.
13
13, I think I have discussed, but okay. 13.
yesterday. Okay. 14.
Okay.
20. Lister or lister already. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Did you join a study session?
No, sir, I wasn't there for yesterday's session.
But you could have watched, no? It is available on YouTube. So
Yeah, was
yeah,
watching. Yeah, I didn't actually get in. Yesterday, actually, till 10, there was another session for statistics. So after that, in the morning, I was watching another revision session. There was a one on graphs. Graphs is also it's kind of difficult for me. I was watching that actually today.
Okay. 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 Others? Okay. Okay, then I start the Yes, and then yeah. So yeah, mark paper. Okay, this one I haven't discussed. Okay. But did you go through the solution, Maria?
No, sir. I had just completed the mock. Like I just finished it at 1:30. So yeah, like now it's just the session game. I haven't gone through it.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So also, did you understand and what D is actually or cost D or item D is representing, how it is being updated? I mean,
Yeah, sir. Like I got
yeah.
I got the second part that it is getting the highest revenue, but like after this there was a second part of the question number 9. I actually got that part, but according to me, the question each one I actually got it as cost for item.
So you are not able to understand what item ij is representing. Item D ij is representing. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is happening here? No, like if you see the others, those who haven't gone through that, please go through at least one time your mock and also try to look at the solution. Yeah. So this question is based on the shopping bills data set. We have two empty dictionary. We have created item D and cost D. While pile one has more cards, we are going through the every card through the piles, and in this line number 4, we are calling a procedure called update dict with two meters, item D and X. Item D is nothing but your dictionary and X is the card information. So as soon as you see this, you will have to find where is the update is there. So you will come to that line number 22 because this is mentioned here. So you will see that. So what is that representing? Not is key D comma Y shop name. If shop name is not there as a key in dictionary D, then it will go inside. That's for that case it will go inside. No, I mean if shop name is there, then it will return true. But it is not true means false. It will not go inside. So for going inside, if you are going first time, shop name will be obviously not the key for the dictionary D. So this will is key D comma Y shop name will return false. So but not false will be true. Then it will go inside and what it will do? Create another.
It will initialize an empty list.
Yeah. So it will create another empty dictionary and how it will look like. I mean, so let us say so D will sorry. So D will look like as soon as you go, it will create with the shop name. So initially it was like this. As soon as you come here with the shop name, it will create another empty dictionary. So nothing. This is nothing but a nested dictionary. Understood? Because for the given key, you are creating another. So let us say the first shop or the first card is from Big Bazaar. So Big Bazaar, how it will look like? You will.
Equal to
Yeah. So you are actually doing like this. So Big Bazaar. Sorry. Big Bazaar. For that, you are creating a dictionary. So how your dictionary will look like? The dictionary will look like this. Correct, no? Till
Yes,
line
sir.
number 24. For
Yeah,
every,
yes.
it is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So as soon as you create a empty dictionary for the given card, what you will do? You will go to the for each chain y dot item list. So there are items present in the card, and how it will look like? You go to the common data set. Yeah. So where is that? Yeah. Let us say this is the card, and you are going through the each and every item. So this will be first item: carrot, soap, tomatoes, and these items should be iterated through this code line of the code. I mean, so it will go through the for each item in list. So these are actually represented in list. And what you are checking? You are checking is dy shop a dot item. So in this dictionary, what you have created in this dictionary, any key is there or not for that item. If key is there, then it will add. If obviously if you are going first time, it will be not the case. It will go to the else part because this will return false, no? I mean, for this case, I mean, in this, do you think any key is there? No, na? For this dictionary, no key is there. So what you will do? You will go to the else part. What you will do? You will create a key. So or what you are actually doing?
With the card.
Yeah. So why shop name? I think shop name is the first shop name is what is, I think for this is let us say SVS store. So let me change that, I mean, for not having confusion. So let us say this is the first card we have taken, and this is SVS store. Okay. And what is the what is the first item you have? So no, let me shop name. So this is SV because shop name is there. And what is that a dot item? So what is that a dot item you have? First carrots. Okay, so carrots are there. Carrots are there. And for that, what you are actually assigning? What you are assigning?
Cost.
A dot cost. So what is that cost you are having for this guy? 75. 75. Okay. So you are assigning this one 75. So we have assigned. So how it will look like your dictionary then? D is equal to, yeah,
SV.
SV. And this another dictionary which has carrot as a key. And
75.
everybody is able to get in what I'm trying to say here.
Yes, sir.
75, and this
Yes, yes, sir.
good. So it will go for the each and every information. I mean, now it will go for the soap S120. So it will, when you go for the next line, this will be coming to control C, control V. I mean, I'm saying here, as soon as you update this one, then it will go to the next item. So next item is what you have? Soap, correct? Soap will be there, then it will be added in the same, no, SVS store. So it will be added soap.
Sir.
Yeah,
Sir, I have a little bit doubt, sir.
just a minute. Tell me what's your doubt in this?
Sir, here, sir, dictionary SV, carrot 75. Here, sir, is key carrot of dictionary D.
Yeah, it will check that. See, so carrot is not the key in that dictionary, no, DSV, because initially it is empty. Can you see this?
Okay. Yes,
So
sir.
it's not a key. So what it will do, it will go to the else part and it will create for that shop name corresponding one more key. What is that? Carrot, and you are assigning value 75.
Five.
So after assigning, how your dictionary will look like. So your dictionary will look like this.
Yes, sir.
And for the next card, it will go for the each and every card. So do it. So after that, it will go for the SV store, then Sun General, and then Big Bazaar. So let us say SV store is another card in which another carrot item is there. So obviously it will so key is there, so it will come here and it will add the here. I mean, let us say the next you have iterated so many cards, and it will be like Control C, Control V. So there can be case, no, some another SVS store which have carrots, guys. There
Yes,
will be
Yes, sir.
some more. So you will
Cards will
call
be
for
added.
you will call for the all cards. You will call for the all cards. It will come here. It will check if shop name is not there. So next time, let us say another card is. So it will be iterated for the all items here. And now next time you are calling, and what is that? Next time is what? Item is the next card is what? From Big Bazaar. So obviously Big Bazaar is not a key. Okay, Big Bazaar is not a key. So what you will do? You will come here and you will create a key for the Big Bazaar and corresponding one empty. So it will look like this. I mean, you have a key. Sorry, yeah, Big Bazaar.
Sir,
You have created another one, and for the same card you will iterate through the each and every item, and each and every item what is there, then you have baked beans, chicken wings, these all things are there. Okay, so you will inside that you will have chicken wings, something chicken wings, so you are assigning some value. What is that? 125. Okay, so you will assign 120.
300.
Yeah, 120, 300 was there.
300.
hello, sir.
25.
Yeah,
In conclusion, I can say that dictionary is
just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. I will say no.
okay.
Okay, good. So do it. So it will go for the each and every card, and at the end, what you think that it will be? It will be for the all the cards. Control C, Control V, and it will be for all the cards. So another card is something also there. Which what is that shop name? Sun General, है ना?
Yes.
Sun General is there. Inside that you will have another. Let us say eggs are there. Some sorry. And that cost is, let us say 40. So it will have the all the information, and same card, and if it comes for the next card is again SVS store, then it will it will check for the items in new card whether carrot is there. If carrot is there, then what it will do? It will
Add the cost.
go here,
The
add
75.
the cost. If it is not there, item, that particular item is not there, it will create a key for that. Let us say in this also egg can happen, eggs can be there, no? So it will create in this particular list, sorry, dictionary, and it will add the price for, let us say it is 60, like that it will work. So at the end, what you can, so it will now it will return D. So whatever the D is, nothing but item D is there, no? Maria, no? Maria. So this is nothing but item D will be your, sorry, item D will be your nothing, only D, है ना? At the end. So what do you think at the end of item IJ will represent? So let us look at revenue generated by item J. So let me write at least, then you will see that item.
Isn't it the cost? How is it the revenue?
Total,
because-
no, revenue means you are adding, no, not the cost. Total cost is what you think, see here is that this is the cost total for the baked item, total for the 300 from the big buy. It will keep adding, no? For if next card has chicken wing, but this is the price actually, individual cost, individual item price is there. This is the
Okay.
total, and if you keep add all the things for the all baked item for the big bazaar, it will tell that this amount is generated by baked item, a total revenue generated by baked beans from the big bazaar or in the big bazaar.
From all the bills, like.
Yeah,
That's
yeah. So this is actually
Revenue generated by item J for shopping.
yes. So what do you think that I is representing what?
shop name,
Shop. J is the particular
item name.
Maria.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
So it's clear, no? So it is revenue generated by item J. So obviously J is the item. Can you see this?
Yeah,
This
is the
item.
shop.
And by the shop for the shop J. This is wrong. No, I is not item. I is representing shop cost of the item in shop J. No, it's a total revenue. Understood? So that's
Because items repeat, it's the
Yes, sir.
revenue.
yes. You are keep adding for that particular item for the each and every card of belonging to that particular shop. है ना?
Okay, okay, sir.
Any doubt from anyone? No, no. Okay.
No, sir.
sir.
No,
sir,
no,
sir,
sir.
sir, sir,
Yeah.
sir, I have a question, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, not regarding this. Sir, actually, I'm a working guy, so I'm unable to attend the term and examination tomorrow, sir.
Is it okay?
So what options I have, sir?
No, no. So there is no any option for this. I mean, you have to appear for the interim examination.
Sir, actually, I'm out of station for some office work, sir.
Okay, but you would have informed to some support team, then they would have reschedule your examination in that particular city wherever you are currently.
So it was not planned. It was just planned 2 days earlier, sir.
Okay,
So
then I can't do actually. in this regard.
so sir, मतलब क्या दोबारा देने का क्या chance रहेगा, sir? Second time, can I appear it for the next term?
Yeah, you can appear directly for the. You are eligible for interim examination, no?
Yeah, yes, sir. I'm eligible.
So you can directly give the interim examination.
When, sir?
I mean, obviously next term whenever it starts and whenever the examination is there.
And what charges I have to pay for that, sir?
That I'm not able to tell. Anybody knows how much is there? I don't know. Others can tell you. I mean, those who anybody.
Half of
having
what
idea?
you paid right now, actually.
Half of what I have paid
1,000.
for this term.
Yes,
It's in that form, in that
mostly.
sheet, right? You can
Yeah.
just have a look at it.
Oh, all right, sir.
It'll be on the
I
dashboard.
think, sir, for end term only 1,000 rupees need to pay. If he wants to give just end term, so he needs to pay 1,000 rupees only.
Okay.
Okay. That means
Yeah, that is
4,000
true.
for the all
That is
for
right.
all 4 courses, no?
Yes, 4,000.
All right. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Maria, I think question number 13 I have explained yesterday. Is it?
Okay, sir, I'll check out the recording.
Yeah, please, because for others, I mean, it will be just repeating. I mean, from yesterday, those who have joined. So please go and watch for the 13. I have explained, no, guys. Yesterday? Yes.
Yes, the 14th also, I think. 14th,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yeah. So let me check 14. 14, did I explain? Yeah, I think 14. This is the question. Someone has a doubt in this? No. So this is another question. So 14, who you have doubt only?
Sir, I had a doubt in question number 14. Yeah. Sir, if it's there in the recording, I'll check that out. Yeah.
No. So 14 I haven't explained. No, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So again, my first question is: are you able to get the A? Means how A will look like? Maria.
A.
I mean, how your dictionary A will look like? I mean, so what it is saying that the following pseudocode is executed using the shopping bill data set. At the end of execution, it will store the list of distinct shops, okay, from which only one category of item has been bought. But the pseudocode may have mistakes. Identify all such mistakes. Assume that all statements not listed in the option below are error of free. Okay. So yeah, so you have to check that which are the options are incorrect. But first of all, you have to check which are the options are not given. Then based on that, you have to assume that which are the, like line number 1 is there. So line number 1 is there. So there may or may not mistake. But line number 2 is not given an option. So you should assume that L is correct. Anna?
Yeah.
But detail, I think this is pretty straightforward. I mean, if you see that in condition, line number 5 is there is an error. I mean, what is the error? If not is key a dot shop name. So if shop name is not there, then it is saying that you have to update the a. And what is the error? It is saying that it should check the category actually.
Okay.
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 And this is pretty straightforward. Just go through the solution. It will be very easy. I mean.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah. So let me 20 number. Yeah, 20. I think people. So you have only just a minute. Yeah, this is the 20. Yeah, the following question. Construct a graph G using Discourse data set represented by adjacency matrix P. Okay, let A be a dictionary with sequence number of students as a key map to the total marks. So okay, just a minute. Yeah, question number. So this is question number 20. Yeah. So what it is actually saying, A is already there. I mean, you have a dictionary A. Sorry, you have dictionary A, and how it looks like. You have a sequence number of as a key map to their total marks. So let us say you are started with 0, the first sequence number, and its total marks is, let us say 250. Next one maybe it is not required. It should be in a order. It can have any. It's like 198, like that. Your dictionary A will look like. Okay. Now, based on that, you are creating a adjacency matrix. What you actually do? So n is the length of keys of A. So actually, n is the number of students you can directly say, because your keys of A, then it will return the list of keys. Got it? And based on that, you are creating a matrix using create matrix n comma n. So as soon as you create, B will look like a all values will be the 0, means null matrix. Okay. Did you get till here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going through for each I in keys of A. So you are going through the each and every. So let me write actually the keys. Sorry, it is in capital. Keys of A. It will return list of keys.
Sequence number.
It can have any order. Okay. And for again that J. So now you are checking the combination. If A of I is greater than A of J, what do you mean by that? If marks of a student I is greater than J, then it will be Bij will be 1. So, means wherever that if I'm saying that Bij is 1, means I marks is greater than J. That's all, no? A student I marks, total marks actually, total marks is greater than J, then you are assigning 1. So do you think this is a symmetric matrix? Symmetric, everybody knows what is that symmetric matrix?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So do you think this will be a symmetric matrix?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, good. Because obviously for symmetric matrix, this is the condition should be there. So B
Ij equal to
Bij equal to 1, then Bji equal to 1.
This should be the case actually. But do you think it will be there? If Bij
It's a directed, so it's a directed graph. We can just say it from the code. So
Yes.
it's not symmetric.
Yeah, but do you think that for any case Bij and Bji can be same value for any case? For this can
If
be
it is equal, the total mark is equal.
true, but for not all, what are the
Ah,
that situation? I mean, let me go through the first option, then I will ask the questions. Okay, chalo.
Maybe a student, maybe two students score exactly same marks.
For that case, Bij will be 0, Bji will be also 0. If you are neglecting the diagonal elements, that's a different case. Okay, chalo. Yeah, choose the correct option with respect to the graph G. It's a multiple. So in degree and out degree for each node in G is same. What do you think?
No,
This is
no.
false, sir.
No, sir.
Obviously, no, no. G's are
Yes.
cyclic. Yeah, G's are cyclic. No, I mean, obviously, it will not form a cycle.
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
it will be always
Yes, sir.
like if I say that I is greater than J, and I is greater J is greater than
Okay.
K. So do you think that I will be also greater than K?
Suddenly K is greater than K, no?
For a cycle, we need K greater than I, but it will always be opposite.
No. So I is greater than J.
It
Yes,
is
that's
true, sir.
all.
I is greater than K.
I will be
Right?
greater than
K is correct.
And J is greater than K. So I should be greater than.
greater than K.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's true.
That's true, no? So that's why it will be not a cyclic, because it cannot be formed.
K cannot be greater than I. That
Yes,
is
that is what
no.
ulta I have written. No, I should be. Yeah.
K
Yes,
can,
sir.
okay.
Yeah. Now look at the options. Now Bij is 1. Bij is 1. So for which case this is option number? Sorry. Yeah. Option number C is saying that Bij what is that, is 1. Then what do you think that Bji will be 1 for any I?
No, sir.
No,
It's not
sir. It
possible,
would
no?
be 0.
It makes symmetric matrix.
Yeah, it will be 0 actually,
Yes, sir.
because if
Yes.
marks of I is greater than J, it cannot be again
J can't score more than I.
yes. See, here what do you mean by the Bij is 1? It says that I marks is greater than J. If you're saying that for that case, now Bji will be also 1. It's not possible. It is saying that now J marks is greater than I. Cannot happen. No? 2 marks cannot be greater than and less than at the same time. No, two values, two
Yes,
integer values.
yes, sir.
So that's why this is incorrect. Now come at Bij is 1, then Bji is 0. It's correct, no? Obviously.
This is true,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
So, GA 10 question number 2 is exactly same. I face problem in D and E options. Like,
Option number E. If
yeah,
Bij is 0, then for Bji is 1.
actually, it is just reverse of D.
No.
But they can have same numbers as
It's not true, actually.
Both have same marks then. It is saying that for any I and J can be 1, but it is saying for any ij. It's not true, no. There can be. I mean, see, if I and J is, if I marks is less than J, then it is 0. And
Yeah.
for, obviously then J is great, obviously then it will become 1. But what if when both have got same marks? Then for this case also it will be 0. No, why I'm saying that? Why? Because you can see that this is the condition. No, if both are the same, I got also 100, B got also got 100. For this case, do you think you are going to update B?
No, sir. No, sir.
It's still 0.
Yes, sir. So in option number D, if we apply the same condition, like both get the same marks, okay, then I didn't score more than J. It should be 0.
No, but it is saying that if this is condition is there, then do you think this will be valid for all I and J? Think like that. If this is the case, then it is saying that is it possible for all I and J? Think like that. And this is the question. This is the statement. No.
So can you give any example of this? Like,
very simple. I mean, if I got 150, J got 20.
then
okay, it will be 1.
Yes, sir.
then do you think that if you write
20 is smaller than 50,
it
so
will be
there is
0, na?
no edge. And now we apply the same on E. Okay.
Huh.
I is 50. I or J is 20. There will be no edge.
Yes.
Okay. J is 50 and I is 20. Then there will be an edge.
Yeah, so it will be 1. But what do you think this is saying for the all I and J? So there
Could
can
be true for some. It could be true
Ah.
for some. The condition is given for any. That means if we
Yeah.
randomly pick any two students, it won't be true. If the condition is given like for some ij, then it would be
Yes.
true. The option.
Understand?
Okay.
See,
If I and J is equal, then Bij will also be 0 and Bji will also be 0. Then
for
the
that
option
case,
is
this
wrong.
condition is going to be false, no?
Okay. Okay.
You have no think is that first you
Hmm.
have to think that this is, if this is the condition, then do you think that this will be 1 for all I and J?
No,
Like that you
no.
have to think. If this is the case, do you think that Bij will be 0 for all I and J? Yes. But this is not the correct statement for all I and J. There can be, this can be true for the some cases where just greater than, if I is less than J, then for this case it is true. But what if both have got same marks? For that case, this condition is becoming false.
This is what I'm saying now. If I and J score both 100 marks, so in option D, I and J is 100. Okay, so there is no edge in option D.
Yeah,
I to
so
J.
but this is the case now. First we have to assume this one. This is the condition, because it is saying that if this is the case, then you have to check this condition. No.
Okay, this is first condition is base condition. Then we have to check J to I.
Yes.
Okay.
Like that you have to think.
If I is not greater than J, then J can't be greater than I.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Understood.
Okay. Yeah. Maria, did you get?
Yes, sir. I also I got it.
Okay, good.
Sir, I have a doubt in B, option B.
B, acyclic.
Yeah, because you said that this is acyclic, so it should be true, na? This question answer should be true.
Yeah, this is true, no?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So,
sir, my doubt in option A.
The in degree and out degree for each node in G is same. How come?
Means, sir,
if for each node, let us say one guy, a node is just representing a student, no? He has got highest marks. Then what do you think that out degree and in degree it has? He has got highest marks. So how many out degree it will have? I mean saying that in degree, out degree. Do you understand what do you mean by in degree and out degree? Do you understand?
if two vertex in degree means
yeah, in degree means it is
going outside from A to B.
Yeah. So let us say that a student has got highest marks. Okay, highest marks. So in this case, it will be all the out degree from that node, no? It is because it is connected from here to here. See, let us say I got highest marks for all from.
Yes, sir. I understand. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So in that case, it will have how many in degree? How many out degree for the highest marks student? Can anybody tell me?
Total
10 minus 1.
Yes. Why? For the self comparison.
Sir, because we cannot.
So there is no self loop, sir. That's why.
Yes. True. And how many out degree will have a guy who had got?
Sir, n minus 1.
Yeah. Good. Okay. What is the next question?
So I had asked for the 21st question, not required, because I understood. I forgot that I had solved it.
This is the case. Okay, good.
I didn't see that return true. That was the problem.
Yeah, 20. Okay. So 21 is done.
Yes, sir, that's done.
Okay. So let us say go to
Sir, GA week 10 question is also done. I cleared my doubt.
Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to. So this is done.
So before we proceed, just a small doubt in question number 16 of this. In the statement, it was written in the statement that.
Just a minute, Chetan, give me a second. So which question have doubt?
Question number 16, sir. Just in the statement.
16. What is that?
Yeah.
Just.
Yes. So just in the statement, but although I got the question correct, but just in the statement that statement says that given procedure count sentence counts the number of sentences that do not contain both X and Y.
Yes.
Both words X and Y. I got that part that X count equal to 0 and Y count equal to 0 would be correct for the statement. But if we were to interpret this statement like, okay, both word X and Y cannot be there in the sentence, but individually they can be. Can we interpret this situation, statement like that?
Count the number of sentences that do not contain both words. Yes. Yes.
So if we interpret this statement like that, then in that case, the statement 13 would be incorrect for that. Right? Then I will have to say that, okay, both together cannot be true, but individually they can be true. It would be something like the question number 6.
Yes, sir, it could be or, sir, or. Without and, sir, in place of and, it should be or.
Yeah, so that's why there is an error in not what is that?
There is no error in this question. So if we were to interpret it like, okay, this all the sentences cannot have X and Y, then it's correct. Then it's correct. But if we were to interpret the situation, it's this statement like, okay, both words X and Y cannot be together in the sentence, but individually they can be. Then this code has an error in that line 13. So I found that
it's correct. So let us say you are saying that if one of the word, let us say X is there, X count is there, word X is there, okay?
Yeah.
And Y is not there. That
Correct.
should be also counted, no? For this case, count.
No.
I mean,
for this case, if my X is there in the sentence,
Y is not there.
Y is not there,
and
then it will never go to this if condition. It will never increment the count to count 1, right?
Yeah, it will not increment to count. Yes.
So it will only consider the cases where both words are not there together. It will not count the sentences where one of them is present. It will not count that.
Yes. Okay.
So, but that can be one possibility of if I were to interpret this situation, this statement in that way.
Procedure. Just give me a second.
Sure, sir.
But count the number of sentences that do not contain the X and Y. Okay. Checking. It is there. Okay. Z word X and Z word Y. Okay. If it is not ending, yeah. If it is ending, then it checks. Now. No, but it is correct only. No, see.
When I feel it is correct because
Yeah,
having
see.
listened the idea
Sir,
we are
it is
getting.
actually correct.
Yeah,
I mean, if I tell anyone that you cannot have both dinner and lunch, that means that person cannot have both. It's not there is no case like you can have either lunch or either dinner, but not both at the same time or something like that.
Yeah. So
isn't it?
Chetan, what you're saying,
Yes, sir.
is saying that let us say the first sentence has word X.
Yeah.
Okay? Then count will be 1. But
Correct.
Y count is not there.
Correct.
So it should what it should be? It should count or not?
That's what my doubt is. So,
yeah.
Because I get if we were to take it, okay. if we were to take it like that, okay, sentence cannot have both word X and Y, then it's correct. There's no error in this code. I'm not doubting that, not debating that as well. I'm just saying, if I were to interpret it like that, okay, word X and Y both cannot be together in a sentence, but individually they can be.
Yes.
Then this pseudocode will not give me the accurate count.
Okay.
Then in that case, it should give me the count of sentences that do not have both words X and Y together, and the words which have either X and Y in them.
I understood. Yeah. Got it. Okay. Yeah. So what it is actually happening, what Chetan is trying to say, if let us say in sentence, first sentence, word X is there and word Y is not there. So count X count will be 1, but Y count is still 0. Now it will check that words end with the full. So let us say we reach to the last word of that particular sentence. It will check. Now X count, it will equate with the 0, but X is 0. X count is 1. So 1 is equal to it. This will give false. This will be true. But because of this one, this will not go inside and it will not count.
Correct.
Actually, that sentence should be counted. Understand? That sentence should be counted, because you are saying that if both words are not present, then you are supposed to not count them. That is what it is saying. That counts the number of sentences that do not contain both words, word X and word Y. Okay? Understand? Individually, yes. If it is there, see, 3 situations it can be there for which count should be there. Count should be incremented. The first case, if both words are not there. Second case, if word X is there, word Y is not there. That should be also counted. And sorry, ulta.
No.
Ulta. No. Yeah. And the third case will be that when word Y is there but word X is there, that should be also counted. Which sentence will be not counted? In which both word X and Y is there. For that case, it should be not counted.
So that means that it was Monday, it should count. It was morning, it should count. But it was Monday morning, it should not count.
Yeah. Others got it? What he's trying to say? Hello.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So thing is that let us say that word is. Let us say the word you have X is Monday. Okay. And Y is what?
Morning.
Okay. So which are the words you think? Which are the sentences? Let me write. It was Monday now. Monday. Another sentence is?
It was Monday morning.
It was morning. It was Monday morning. Monday morning.
And it was evening.
And?
It was evening.
It was evening. Chalo. Okay. So these are the maximum 3 possibility can happen. No, word X is there, word Y is there, both are there, and none
Both are not there.
None. So which sentence you should count? So it is saying that the given procedure count the number of sentences that do not contain both words.
So only last one should be counted, right?
Only last would count.
Yes, sir. Last one will be counted.
As per the question, only last sentence should be counted. So
Yes,
both,
sir.
both should be 0.
Both words X. Okay. So that is the word actually. So I also see this. There is a word play. Both words X and Y. If I say both words, then do you think that one word should be there? That is his question.
So one word can be there, sir.
Yeah, that is his question.
No, in the question it is not said that both words X and Y should not be there together. It's not mentioned, no. So,
but that's what. See, I get the point. I get the point that okay.
English doubt now here.
It's a sort of an ambiguous statement. That's what I found. I get what you're trying to say. That okay, if you interpret it like that, in the sentence both cannot be there. I don't care whether individually they can be or they cannot be, but I don't want those words in the sentences, any of those sentences that I count. In that
Yeah,
case,
together
it
or
will count.
separate.
It will just count the sentences which do not have the even a slight mention of either words. But I am just saying that it can also be interpreted in the way that okay, both together cannot be there, since it's written that okay, do not contain both words x and y, that x and y cannot be together in the sentence, but individually they can be.
But that should not be counted. Individually they can be, but the question
Yeah.
is when both are there, only you count.
No,
Yeah,
then you don't
that
count.
allegation
Then you
of
don't
conveyed
count.
is-
Then you
Yeah,
don't
when
count.
only one is there, you don't count it. He very clearly
No,
the
no.
statement.
It says that
English debate is going on. Okay, so let us see one more time. So what it is saying that count sentence counts the number of sentences that do not contain both words x and y. So his doubt is, Chetan doubt is that if x is present or y is present or both are not present, then it should count. Other doubt is that if both are present, in this case, like these three will be excluded, only the last sentence should be counted. Another pool of students are saying that if both words, either x or also, or if y and both are not present, then it should be counted. So in this case, only the it was evening will be counted. According to Chetan, these two as well as
no, I'm not actually debating others. I agree with them. I'm just saying that there can be one more possibility to this question, depending on the interpretation.
Yeah.
Addition to that.
So both words x and y together, if we say, or
that idea is conveyed with the word and only in pseudocode. In English, the word and doesn't convey that, no.
Yes.
Yeah, in pseudocode, if you use and, that means
both are not present.
Yeah, both are not present. But in English, if that idea is to be conveyed, then it should be specified that it should not be present
That's
together.
what I was saying. That's what I was saying. That since the sentence is sort of a open to interpretation, the sentence should have cleared that okay, whether they both together can be present or individually can be present. Since it's not there, it's open to interpretation. You cannot just say that okay, in English this is my interpretation, and it's in CT this is my interpretation. I can, if my logic is there, logic is saying that it should work, right?
Yeah, that's another debate. Yeah, I understood. Yeah.
So can
Then,
we
sir,
discuss
according
this question at last? We can do another question, and at last we can come again on to this point.
Yeah. So see, there are, see, in English and what we trying to write in code. No, so there is, we wanted to present in very easy way to. We do not want to check your English. We want to check your this logic based skill. So obviously, what we are trying to say through pseudo code, sometimes it becomes very hard to write in English. So that is the case where if even though, like, if we see our questions set 1 and set 2, we had to change the whole sentence to make it, even though if we write greater than and we change in other less than some quantity, we have to change the sentence itself. But in mathematics, if you change the numeric value, almost you have to do from the beginning to last the solution part. But here, in case of computational thing, it becomes very hard to explain what you are trying to say through code in English. So yeah, that interpretation can be also there, but I mean, it's a debatable, I understand that, but in terms of pseudo code, if both words x and y word x and y is saying that do not contain, then I mean, I am also not okay with saying that yeah, word x will be also not present and word y will be also not present individually. Yeah, it's
Then, sir, which will be the actual answer, sir? 13 is wrong, or there are no errors?
I mean, Yeah, this I have to check with the who has created this question. It's what he's trying to say. But from the code, it should it should be very much clear. Either if it is written, do not contain either word X or word Y. Both are not there. Or individually, if it is a word X and word Y is not there, then this is correct actually.
So it says that the both X and Y should not be there. So I think E will be correct only. Will it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, please tell again.
Will E be correct? Like
Last.
given in the PDF?
Yeah, he is saying that what? No error.
Yes. I also think that the code does not have any error, but it is debatable.
According to the code, what we can say that this is saying that if either X and either Y as well as both X and Y are not present, you should count the sentence. So in this case, can you see that there are 4 possible cases? For in this case, according to the code, only this sentence will be counted. The last one, which do
So
not
yes,
either word.
in this case, if the person who created the pseudocode wanted the sentences that do not contain the mention of either X or Y, then they could have actually mentioned that sentences that neither contains X nor contains Y. That could have worked for that. It wouldn't have left any ambiguity in the question. In that, there would have been no error in this question.
Yes.
And or in a
X
different
would
way,
be there,
maybe
nor
both
a Y
X
would
and
be
Y
there.
together. If they add just one word together at the end of the sentence, which is do not contain both X and Y together, then also it works fine for the question actually.
No, then
I mean,
it
according
will
to the
be,
code.
no,
then it won't work.
Together, then again this should be counted and this should be also counted, no, Sayan?
Yeah.
Then this code is
That's
not
also,
correct.
yeah.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Then everything will be counted.
Yeah, so it is saying that neither X and neither Y. Understand? Then they, according to the code. So generally we think that our code is based on the code we write the sentences.
Correct.
So according to this code, it should be like neither X, neither Y should be present in our sentence. For that, so in this case, see, in this case, what do you think? In case X is present, so obviously we are not going to count. In this case, Y is present, we are not going to count. In this case, X and Y both are present, we are not going to count. In this case, none of, I mean, neither X nor Y. So for that case, this code works. Okay. Yeah, I just I will check with this one. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Question number 22. Yeah. Who had doubt in question number 22?
It's me, sir.
Yeah. So what's your doubt actually in this case? What is actually happening actually? Can you I just give you the brief info. What is happening here? So let M be at my screen is visible, no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let
Yes,
M
sir.
adjacency matrix for the graph G. Okay. And based on the above assumption, what something is there, but you are sending M. M is what? Your matrix. So M will how it will look like. So wherever that node is there, directed node. So 0 to 1 will be 1, 0 to, but 1 to 0, do you think it will be 1? No, it will be 0 because this is for the directed graph. Got it?
Yes,
0 to 5 will be 0, but 5 to 0 will be 1. So this is actually a unsymmetric matrix. Okay? It is not a symmetric matrix. Okay? Chalo. For that question, you have what will be the value of B at the end of execution of the pseudocode given below. So what you are doing actually, new matrix is there. You are calling update matrix with aim. Okay? And then you are trying to find the value of new matrix 03, whether the value of matrix new matrix 03 will be 1 or 0. That is the two case, no? Either 0 or 1. That is the case, no? Because So new matrix M is there. So you are calling this guy and you are checking with the 0 and 3. So let us see what is happening here. So temp is there. Your matrix is copied to the another matrix called temp max. For each I in rows. So you are going through the rows. Now you are going through the columns. Now it is checking if I and K. So I and K. Let us I is this one and this one is there. K is there. Is 1. So if 0 to 1 is connected. Okay. Then for each J in columns. Now we are KJ. So it is actually it's a one hop problem. Like I to sorry. I to K first it is checking, and then it is checking J. No, yeah, that is what. If I to K connection is there, and then K to connection is there. Connection means what? Directed edge. I to K, and from here to if there is any connection, then you are making I to J. Means from here to here it is 1. So I to K connection is there, means there is a direct edge from I to K. From K to J is connection is there, means 1 is there, meaning there is a direct edge from K to J. Then you are making I to J is also one connection. So this matrix, new matrix,
like we want to go from 0 to 4.
just a minute, yeah. So this is actually saying that one hop problem, means I to J you can reach with the help of one node, which is K. So if you think that 0 to I is 0 and K is 2 and J is J is 4. J is 4. So what do you think that this is 0 to 2 connection is there? Then 2 to 4 is connection is there. Then 0 to 4 will be also written in new matrix will be 1. But in case of matrix M, 0 to 4 will be 0 only, no? But in case of the temp mat will be 0 to 4 will be also considered as a 1. Means because we are actually going through the one hop. Means there is one intermediate station. You want to go from 0 to 4. You have changed one train here and you have reached here. If 3 is there, then how many hops are there? How can you reach 0 to 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
0 to 2, then 2 to 4, 4
to 3.
2 hops are there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So can you see this? 0 to 3. So new matrix 0 to 3 is there. 0 to 3. What do you think? 0 to 3 with one hop are you able to reach?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
So what do you think the value of 0 to 3 will be?
0.
0.
Any doubt, or should I explain in little bit more details after drawing writing this matrix? Means, for everyone it
Sir,
is.
can you say it once more?
Yeah.
Sir, can you say it once more? Sorry,
Yes,
sir.
yes. So see what it is happening here, no? I mean, if you see the pseudocode here, it is trying to create a one hop matrix. One hop means if there is a connection between two matrix, two nodes, then it is also connected through 0 to 4. I mean, that particular two nodes actually. How it is happening? Let us see. I mean, you have M. So M is there, this one. So wherever this matrix M will look like, I just draw them little bit. Then it will have a little bit more clear picture. So how many nodes are there? 6, no? Yeah, tell me what is there?
Yes, sir. 6 nodes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, myself, Athar, I had actually asked my
7
doubt
by 7.
graded assignment 6. Sir, actually, I have a class, so I had just joined right now for 5 minutes. If you
Yeah.
can just take
So
my...
that is actually correct, actually.
So, sir, how will it be eradicated and marks will be added in the graded assignment because
How much
because
marks?
of that?
How much marks you got in that?
Sir, I got 84.00, but I think it will go above 90
Okay.
in that
Okay.
assignment.
Okay.
Because of that.
You mail me. I mean,
Sir,
actually,
I mailed you. Yeah, I have mailed
I
today
got your
only.
email. You have
Okay.
mailed through your personal or that?
Sir, from my personal only. This is my first session. I haven't got my ID yet. This is my
Acha.
first time. Yeah, so
Acha.
that's why I mailed from my personal only.
Okay. I will talk to the support team. They will update the marks.
Yeah, so that will be good. And sir, one thing more, sir, can you take one doubt if it's possible, because I have to go just now. If possible, can you take one doubt? Just I have one doubt only from graded assignment 11, question number 9.
I'm just middle of my one of the
Yes,
questions.
sir.
So
Okay,
it will
okay,
take
sir.
3
So
minutes.
okay. I'll wait if possible.
Yeah, maybe you can post in the chat and then I will explain. And sometimes you can watch. Okay.
Okay, yeah, sir. This is being live recorded, right? Okay,
Yeah,
okay. I'll post it if possible. You please explain. I'll try to be in this class only, but if I leave, okay, so that will be helpful.
Okay, good.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. So thing is that what is happening here? So your matrix M will look like, so this is 0. Sorry, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. So those who haven't created this type of things, just do that like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Sorry. Yeah, 5. Let me make it a little bit small. So because question number 23 is also connected to this question, so that's why I'm trying to explain a little bit in more detail. Otherwise, I have, because there is also doubt in question number 23. No, yeah. So see, your matrix M. This is your what? This is your matrix M. Right. So this is your M. Okay. And how it will be like 0 to 0? Is there any connection? Obviously, this will
No,
be
sir. Diagonal element 0.
0. Okay. And 0 to 1, is there any connection?
Yes, sir.
0 to 2 connection is there? 0
Yes,
to
sir.
3 connection is there?
No, sir.
0 to 4?
No, sir.
0 to 5? No.
No.
Then 1 to 0? No.
No.
1 to 2?
No, sir.
No. 1 to 3?
No, sir. No, sir.
1 to 4?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So like that it will be filled. Anybody is having doubt? So let us fill which are the connected. So 5 to 0 is connected. 5 to 0 is 1. So let us start with the 2 to connected with only 4. So 2 to 4 will be 1. And then 3 is connected with 3 to 1 will be 1.
3 to 1.
And 3 to 5 will be also?
Yes, sir. 3
1.
to 5.
And 4 to
4 to 3.
connection. 4 to 3 is connection is there. And 5 to
5 to 0 and 2.
5 to 0 and 5 to 2 is connection is there. Rest of things will be 0.
0.
Everybody is getting what I'm trying to say here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now what we are trying to do here, so this is for the one-hop matrix. We are creating a one-hop matrix. How? Let us see. As soon as you call this guy temp update matrix, the matrix M will be copied to temp max. Now we are going through the each and every rows of matrix M, and this will I will start from 0. Okay. Then for K, now K is there. K will also start from 0, and now it will check if M of Ik is 1. If it is not 1, then what you will do? You will go for the next. So obviously 0 0 is there. So M I K na, yeah, I is there, K is there. Okay. So this is actually checking here in this line number 5. So it will check. So what is the value of I you have? 0. What is the value of K you have? 0. So 0 0. What is the value of M?
0.
M 0 0 0. So obviously this is not correct. Then what you will do? You will increase the value. Next you will go to the 1.
1th column.
So 1 I to I is 0, still 0, and K is 1. So 0 1 connection is there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this will be 1 actually. Then will you go inside? Yes. Line number 6. Now it will go for the J. So now J will also start from where? 0. Okay. Now 0 is there. And MK0. So what is the value of? And let me write.
Now it will check from 1 0, right, sir? 1 to 0.
K, J, no? KJ, no?
Yes, kj.
Yeah. So what is the value of K you have?
1 to 0.
1. Current value 1, no? And now J is 0. So
0.
1, 0. What is 1, 0 connection is there? 1, 0 connection is there?
0.
No?
No, sir.
1, 0 connection is not there? No. Then next it will go for 1.
1.
Then what is the value? 1, 1. 1, 1 is still 0, no?
0.
No diagonal. Then it will increase for the
2.
2. So do you think that is there any connection for any values of
no, sir.
K is 1 to any value of J? Do you think that it will be 1? No, na?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, na? Can you see this? All are 0.
All are 0.
So what he will
Yes.
do? He will not go inside where it will come here now.
It will update K.
Is the closing bracket. Now it will go to here, and again it will K will be incremented.
K2. K will be 2.
So now
yes,
K,
sir.
now K will be again. You have 2 now. Now again you will come here and you will check. So IK, yeah. So aim IK, yeah. Let me write where I is just still 0, no? Right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
is still. So now K is 2. So I
0 2.
0 2. Now 0 2 connection is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now 0 2 connection is there. So what it will do? It will come inside line number 6. Now J will start from where?
0.
0. Again 0, no? Because you are coming
Yes, sir.
this one again first time. Now it
Right,
will.
sir.
Now 2 to 0 connection is there? No. 2
No.
to 0 connection is there? No, no, no. I mean 2 to 0 value is 0, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 2 to 3. Sorry, 2 to 1. No.
No
2
connection.
to 3. No. 2
No.
to 4 connection is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 to 4 is 1.
2
Right.
to 4 connection is there. So now you will come here and what you will do?
Increment ij. Yeah, it means.
I mean now your temp matrix. So what you have done actually temp matrix you have copied. So you initially just copy. I can copy now this guy. Cool.
Yes, sir.
Control
You can.
C. It will be keep update. So this will be your temp matrix.
Temp mat.
Temp.
So we increment 0 0 4 to
So
1.
this is actually how I mean just directly copied because the value m is copied to m. Now you are updating whatever the existing value will be there. Means whatever the existing value, what I mean by that, 0 to 2 will be there. But now what you are going to update 0 to 4 will be also 1. Whereas initially 0 to 4, no? Yeah, 0 to 4 it was actually 1. Sorry, 0. Now we have to make it 1 with this code. Can you see this? Now in this case 0 to 4 there was no connection. Wherever the 0 to 2 was there, na, you can say that there is a connection from 0 to 2. But here 0 to 1 connection will be there. It can be direct or it can be have one hop.
One hop, right?
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Connection is there. It can be direct or it can be one hop. So for 0 to 2 connection, direct connection is there. But 0 to 4 now if 1 is updated here means 0 to 4 there is a one hop is there. So that's why temp matrix is representing for the one hop matrix. So wherever you can reach to the any node with the direct as well as with one hop, that all nodes will be made to 1.
Sir, similarly, we will update from 3 to 2, right? 3 to 2.
Yeah, 3 to
2.
Yeah, 2 to 3 also it will be there.
Yeah.
Can you see this? Now tell me which are the nodes we can update here.
3 to 2.
Yeah, 3 to some maybe I will miss, but see 3
Okay.
to 2 you can reach. Yes, 3
Yes.
from 5 you can reach. So 3 to
3
2 will be 1.
3 to
But
0.
then 2 to 3 also you can reach. How?
Yes, sir.
Through
By a 4.
So 2 to 3 will be also 1. Can you
Yeah.
reach what is that?
So
4 3
4 to
1.
1.
4 to 1.
1
Yes.
is also
4 to 1 also you can reach. How? Through
Yes,
3.
sir.
So
2,
4
3,
to
yeah.
4 to 1 will be 1.
Yes, sir.
And 4 to 5, sir, as well.
4 to 5 also you can reach. How?
Yes, sir.
Through 3.
3.
है ना?
Yes,
So
sir.
we
3
can
to 0,
reach
sir. 3 to 0.
1 to 2 also.
3 5 0.
1 to 2 how you can reach?
No,
Who is
we
telling?
can't.
Just a minute. 1 to 2 how you can reach? Who is telling? It's okay. I mean, you can say ask. No,
Me only, sir.
Radha. Yeah. How we will reach 1 to 2, Radha?
No, sir. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, 0 to 1, not 1 to 0. Yeah. Yes.
Because this directed is towards this one. No, you cannot go reverse here. Anna? Okay. So like that, it will be temp matrix will be updated. Understand? So now
5 to 1 we also go, sir.
5 to 1.
1.
Yeah, 5 to 1.
5 to 1, 3 to 5, 3 to
1.
0.
501.
5 to 1 also we can reach. 5. There are two things. 5 to 1. Yes, you can go through 0. Yeah. 5 to 1, you can 1. Yes.
5 to 2, 5 to 4.
5 to 2 also you can reach like this. 5 to 2. Yeah,
5
it's
to 4
already.
also.
Yeah.
5 to 4.
5 to 4 is there. Yes. 5 to 4 we can reach. Yeah, like this.
5 to 3.
Sir, 3 to 0.
Sorry.
5 to 3. Can we reach 5 to 3? Yeah.
5 to 3, how can you reach?
We can reach, but there will be two hope.
Yes.
We are
So
finding
that-
only one hope.
Yeah. Here only one hope we are trying to do.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now, because we are checking with the which matrix? M, K, J. So M is for the direct matrix. This is for the direct. No. Temp matrix is the one hop matrix. It can be direct or it can have one hop.
Okay.
Now the value. Understood? No, what I have drawn here, temp mat. Guys?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So I have a doubt.
Yeah,
So
please.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in temp mat, we are we are making an edge between two only if there is one hop. No, not when there is
No,
direct.
Direct also. Did you copy first? No. This can you see this line number?
Okay. I didn't see that. Okay.
Yeah. So remember. Okay. So now question. Coming to the question. So any doubt till here? Temp mat, guys.
No,
So
sir.
how
doubt.
do we, hello?
Yeah, Sneha, tell me.
How do we know that it's one hop in temp mat?
Yeah. So through this code, means we are checking
Like,
from I to K is 1 and then K to J. Can you see this line number? This way? Line number 5.
5.
Line number 5. First you are checking I to K is 1 and then K to J is 1. Then you are going to operate this guy. 1.
Okay.
K is the
From
intermediate
there.
station, na? Sneha? K is the intermediate
Okay.
station. Na? That's why you have
Yes,
written
sir.
somewhere. I to
Okay,
K
okay.
and J. So K
Okay,
is
sir.
intermediate station. Okay?
Yes, sir.
In other words, K is joining M, I, and J, right, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now coming to the question will be very much now matrix, new matrix. So this is your return matrix will be there. So you have called this guy. Now new matrix will be what? This guy, no? This temp matrix, because it is returning what? Temp matrix, that will be copied to your new matrix. So this is nothing but your new matrix, no? Guys. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now what is the value of 0, 3? 0, 3.
0.
Still 0?
Yes, sir.
And you can check also through graph. 0, 3 can you reach with one hop?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, na? Chalo. Now coming to the question number 23. Now what you have done? Now we have called new matrix with initial matrix is there. This guy is there. Okay? So what you are actually doing? Question number 23, na? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So I got it now.
Now you got it?
Yes, sir.
But yeah, for others, let me make understand. Yeah. So now what you have done first, you have called this with the one matrix aim. So that will be updated. So once you call this update matrix, where is that? This one. New
Yes, sir.
will be one hop matrix. Understand?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now new
It
matrix,
will add one more.
which is now one hop matrix, you have called it again, this guy. It will add one more hop. So new matrix 2 will be that two hop matrix.
Two hope matrix.
Two hops.
Meaning if I say that 0 to 5, can we reach 0 to 5 using two hops or two stations? Simple.
Like 0 to 3.
Yeah. So what is the question here actually? 0 to 3, na? Yeah. Now very next question. Yeah, 0 to 3. New matrix 0 to 3. So 0 to 3 can be reach 0 to 3 using 2-hop 2 stations?
Yes, sir. 2 and
Yes, sir.
4
Can we
by
reach?
using 2 and 4.
Yeah, we can reach 2 to 4 through 2 to 4, 2 hop. Then
Yes, sir.
what will be the value of 0 to 3 then? 1, no? Because
One.
we will
Yes, sir.
update with 1, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
it's
sir.
clear? Can we read?
Yes.
Yeah, can we
If
read?
you have any doubt, it is better to look at the picture, right, sir?
Yes,
So,
yes, yes.
yeah.
But for that, you should understand first code, what it is actually happening. And
Yeah. Yeah.
now it is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so actually, someone has asked one question. I mean, I have that question actually. Now I think no doubt, no? I mean, so sorry. Yeah, because this is done. Okay, so he has. Yeah, who had asked this question? I think Atharv or
Abhinav, sir.
Abhinav. You have asked this question.
Yes.
You know, I mean, Abhinav.
Sir, yes, sir. There are 4 questions in this.
Yes, yeah. So this is actually one of the previous year question, and okay. Let me read for the others so that others can also understand. Okay, and please do not ask this question from me because I don't know where is that, but this Tharv has arranged from somewhere. I think you guys also know from where you can get these questions. Am I correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the question is that what it is happening here. Listen, guys. So first of all, read what is the happening here. So you have this question. My screen is visual for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it is saying that you have a dx via dictionary where keys and values are integers. So in this case, keys are integers as well as values also. The procedure involves construct a dictionary dy from dx. Why? Assuming 2 conditions. So there are 2 conditions. What are that 2 conditions you have? For each key a in x, for each key a in dx, d of x is a key in dictionary dy. So whatever the value in dictionary dx, that will be a key for a dictionary dy. Guys, I mean,
Yes, sir.
example. So let us see.
Yes, sir.
So this is a dictionary. 2 is to 4 means these are the keys and corresponding values are there. So like this is the value, then 4 will be the key in dictionary dy and corresponding value 2. And there is some another case for that it has assigned as a list. From for that this condition you have to read. I mean this assumption you have to read. So what it is actually saying, for each key b in dy is a list of integers such that for a in list d of x is equal to b. So sentence, if you are not able to understand what is actually happening here, no, see, if you are saying that value in a dictionary keys are only unique values and values can be duplicate
Values.
No.
like 2 is to 4, then minus 2 has also 4 value, but you are creating a dictionary using a, what is happening? Oh my god, automatically it happened. I think this, no,
It is from Abhinav, sir.
yeah, this is the one, no? Yeah, should I download? Yeah, let me download and then do these things. I think I have already downloaded, no? Why I'm downloading again anyway? Yeah, sorry. Yeah. So see, thing is that in a dictionary, the keys will be only unique. Can you see that all keys will be unique, but corresponding value can we have a duplicate? Like for 2 values for minus 2 also values for. In for that case, what is happening here? Now, like let us say 4 is the key, then corresponding key will be the list of values for corresponding.
So value is changing into key, and then we store duplicate keys into that dictionary.
Duplicate
As a
value.
list.
duplicate
duplicate
keys.
values for dictionary dx stored as a list of
values. Yeah.
corresponding keys will be stored. That is what it is happening here. Means for 4 as a key, the corresponding key will be stored as a list of keys for dictionary dy. Understood what is happening here?
Right,
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain the above 2 points, please?
Yeah. So the first is saying that for each key in dx, d of x is a key in dy.
Yeah.
I mean, let us say dx is a dictionary dx. So for each key in dx, d of x means 4 will be a key for dy.
Okay, okay, sir. Yeah.
Second thing is that for each b in dy, in this one, let us say for dy, b is a list of integers such that for each a in list d in the list dx which is equal to b, 4 is there, 4 is also there. For that case, that keys will be the list of integers for dictionary dy. So that's why this is tough to understand, but for that, so why we have given the example how it will
The
be
dictionary look like,
or your dictionary, the final dictionary dy will look like.
Okay, sir.
So can you see this? So for, let us say for value 2, now 4 will be the key for dictionary dy, and if you see that 4 is the value for corresponding key, yeah, for this case, then -2 and 2 will be the corresponding value for that key.
Yeah, so list of values.
Yeah, 3 is the key here, then 3 will be the value. I mean, value means list. I mean,
yes, a list of value.
will be the key. Now let us say this is already we have done, 4 is the already the key. Now if you see that 16 will be your key and corresponding value 4 and -4.
-4.
Understood?
If -3 is there, it will also come in 9
Yes.
-3.
Yes,
Right?
yes. Understand?
Yes.
Yes,
yes.
Now we have to find which code is actually doing. So let us go one by one. Okay? Procedure invert dx. Okay, you have created a dictionary dy empty. Chalo, okay. For each a in keys of dx, for each key in keys of dx. So you are going through each key. So 2, 3, -2, 4, -4. Okay. Going first time. So b of d of x a. So you have assigned a value d of x a. Let us say you are going through first time. So 4 will be there.
4, sir.
Now what it is actually checking? If is key dv is a what?
dv is an empty list, a dictionary.
Comma b.
4.
Yeah, so b is 4. So it's true or false?
It
False,
is
no?
false.
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 It's false. Sir.
Not okay. So what you will do?
We
You will add 4 in that.
Yeah.
As a key, we add in dy.
So you have assigned. Can I do for you guys, or if you can do?
Sir, actually, the main problem here in the another one.
Yeah, just a minute. So I am making why this is wrong. I will tell you why it is wrong. For which case it is going to be wrong.
It will just remove the and just.
So let us say now we have for first case keys like let us say you have let me write this guy actually dx. Okay, sorry, dx. This is actually a good question actually. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to spend a little more time. Yeah, 4 is there, day 3 is there, corresponding value
-2, 4 is there.
-2, 4. Yeah, tell me.
4, 16.
4, 16. Okay, then
And -4, 16.
-4, 16. Okay, okay, na? Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going through for each chain keys of dx. So if you write keys of dx, okay, keys of dx. What will be the value you have?
2,
3,
3.
minus 2, 4, 4 minus.
It can have any order. That's true. No?
Yes,
Minus-
random order.
Minus 4, na? That is the case.
Yes, sir.
2, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Now we are going through first time, and what you have done, b is equal to, you have checked it, and b will be, sorry, again, yeah, b, you have dx of a. What do you think the value of dxa? So dxa, what is the value of a when you go first time? Let us say we're starting it like this. This will be, what is the value here?
2.
4, na? Now,
Yeah.
yeah, now it will check is key d comma b. So obviously it's not a key, so it will go here. No, this will be false. No, it will come here, and what you will do, dy with corresponding b, which is 4, will be dy, which is actually a, what do you think? Dy, you had anything earlier?
Empty dictionary.
Where is that empty dictionary? With what you are adding? I mean, you are adding with
2.
dy. I don't know what is that. You are actually doing like this, no? But where you have it defined this one? Did you define anywhere for corresponding this?
No, sir. No.
No,
it's not
sir.
there.
So do you think this
That
is
is
correct?
wrong. That is wrong, sir.
Guys?
That is wrong, sir.
Yeah. Now coming to the option number B. Okay. Option number what?
Not getting. Can you please repeat?
Yeah, Sneha. So see, thing is that like this. Where did you not understand? This line you have understood.
That is wrong.
B, I have written d of x a.
Yes.
2 is equal to 4. That
Yes.
line you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now is key d of y. D of y, you have created a empty dictionary.
Yes.
So in that b is what? 4. It's not a key, no? So not a key means this overall it will return false. So false is there, so you will not go inside. No? If block,
Yes, sir.
where it will come? Line number 8.
8.
Agree? Now what you are
Yes, sir.
trying to do, d of y 4 is equal to d of y 4 plus 4. That is what you are trying to do, na? But did you anywhere initialize d of y 4?
No.
This is an unknown quantity.
That's something we have to do if we have already a key, right? We have to append a, right?
Sorry.
That's something we have to do only if there is already a key. We will append
At
a.
least you have to define what is actually
Yeah.
a list, or it is something, but it should be defined as a list. Why? Because you are using a double plus and you are adding a list, so it should be a list. But we never define anywhere. We never initialize this guy.
Yeah.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So that's why that option number A is incorrect. Everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to option number B. Option number B, it looks same here also. Now coming here, this guy. Now it is saying that not is key. So obviously when you go first time, obviously this will return false. Not false will be what?
True.
So what you will do?
We will create a. We will take it as value and assign
You are
list
creating
for
a value with
empty list.
Yeah, you have empty list, and then will you go inside?
No, sir. If
will
condition
not
is
go inside, and we will go for the next. So did you lose this information?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So that's why this would have correct, but because of this you have created an empty dictionary. That's true, you have defined, but for that value you haven't updated. The first value itself is missed here. For next time it will come, you are going to update, but the first value is missed there. That's why this option is incorrect. Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Okay, good. Next, option number 3. What is happening here? D of A What is error in this? Tell me, guys.
Neither we assign a empty list or nor we store it as a value.
We didn't initialize empty list.
Yes, we haven't initialized. Again, same thing. See,
empty
as you
list.
come here, we have b is equal to 4. We have done. We have started d of y, dy plus plus. What is this value again? You haven't. Did you initialize d of y b?
No, sir.
No, na.
Yes.
So you haven't initialized this guy. Then how can you add? So therefore, option number C is also
wrong.
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 Now coming to this guy, you have initialized this guy. You have initialized. Till here, this is same. No, I mean.
Yes, sir.
Now
B option and this
dy.
option.
Yeah. So this is actually now you have already told that this guy is actually empty list. That is what you are saying. No, here, Hana. Guys.
So here,
Yes, sir.
here my doubt is if in fifth line, this condition is if not satisfied, we are not going to do this.
Yeah,
right?
will not go.
Okay, like D4.
I will tell you.
Okay, okay.
Just, we are going first time. Obviously, this will have not a b is not a key in dy. That's true. So it
Yes,
will
sir.
return false. Not false, true. You have created a
Empty list.
Empty list.
Okay.
We will come to line number 8, and what you will do in this d of y
In append.
4 d of y 4. You know that this is you have defined as a empty list, and you are adding 4 in that. So how it will look like? Your dictionary will look like at the end of one iteration. How your dictionary will look like?
4 as a key.
B.
4 as a key.
4.
And it is a list of
2.
2.
Sorry, what I have done, did I do wrong anything?
Yeah, that is correct, sir.
Yeah.
What you have written is correct.
4,
4 and list is 2. 2 is the first
2,
one.
2. 2 is
2,
the
Two is the value.
2 is the value, sir.
first
So
value.
why did I write 4 here?
That is
Oh,
dy of
correspond,
b.
yeah, value is there, na. Sorry.
Dy of b is 4 and a is 2.
Yeah. This is 2, no? I mean.
Yes, sir.
A
Yes.
is 2, sir.
Yeah, that's why I wrote 2 actually. So that's why my mistake was. Yeah, so this is actually 2. ठीक है ना? Agree, no, everybody?
Agree, sir. Agree.
Agreed.
Sorry, this will be
List
2.
List 2. Yeah.
ठीक है?
Okay.
Now again you will go for the next A. What will the value of next A? Keys of
3.
3.
3.
ठीक है? Now as soon as we will come here again, what you will do?
3 is not present. We add 3 as a key and append list and
Make a list of 3.
Yes.
4, 3.
Like that you will keep doing. So this looks correct, no? I mean,
now, sir, 4 is coming, right?
yeah.
Again, when 4 comes, it will just append, right?
Yeah, it will append actually.
Yeah.
When 4 comes, so line 5th is not true.
Not true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in this
Okay.
case, line 4 comes. So sorry, line number 4. No, let me
It
write.
jumps to-
For that case, let me write actually. So when A will become what? A will become. Sorry. Yeah, A will become what?
4.
Then what will happen? A is 4. Then B will be what? Oh, it went to
16.
another one. Let me bring into the one page. Just sorry. Yeah. So when A is becoming 4, what is the value of B you have? B will be
16.
B of X 4. What is the value you have?
Minus 2. Minus 2.
Oh.
No, 6. Minus 2.
4 is 16.
16, na?
4 is 16,
16,
right?
16.
Yeah.
16.
16. Now it will come here and it will check if not is key dy. So what is that? If not, sorry, why it is caps lock? Oh, caps lock I have. Yeah, if not is key. Is key, what is that? D you have? D you have already this guy.
4 is present.
4 is present. So what do you think it will return?
It will overall return false, sir.
So this will be true because we have already already 4 as a key in dictionary. Dy.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, it should be dy, no? Sorry. Okay. So in dy, key is there already there. So it will return overall false. Then it will not go inside because this will return what? True.
True, sir.
True
Right.
means
False.
false. Where it
Overall,
will
it will be false.
line number 8. Line number 8, it will come. What it will do? Dy corresponding. What is the value of a you
B,
have?
A, no, not A, sir. Dy of B in 8.
Dy, sorry. B is what?
16, sir.
B 16.
Plus
D of by is what?
You
might have created somewhere.
No, sir. Dy of B is 16. We didn't create somewhere, right?
Did I do mistake anywhere?
-2, sir. -2 and 4 is the next one.
It's -2.
-2. It's like 4. If it is a 4 in the key, 4 is a key.
Value of dx.
That is value, sir.
Yeah.
Hello,
if you skip lot of steps, no, this
Sir.
will happen.
If you just show the example in given in the question.
Yeah. So let me try with this one, then it will
Okay.
have more clear picture. So see, now we'll go line by line. Okay? It will have not confusion. So we have first time we have went for the a is equal to what? Oh, okay. We have went to for the 2. What we have done? We have done here a is equal to b is equal to d of a. So now the whatever the value corresponding you have this guy, that will become a key actually for this guy. So b will become 2. Sorry, b will become what? 4, na? Yeah. B will become
B is 4.
B is 4.
B is 4, and now you will check here if B is the key. No, it's not there. You have created this one, and corresponding D of B 4, you have added the value 2. That's all, no?
Yes, sir.
That's all you have done for till here. Now when next A will become what? Next A will be 3. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now next A is 3.
We'll create a new.
Yeah. So now next A is 3. Then what it will be?
We'll create new.
Dx of 3. Dx of 3 will be 9. So Dx of 3 will be
9.
9. Okay?
It is B value. Okay.
This will be 9. Okay? D of x3 will be 9. Obviously, now dy in that case b 9 is not a key.
Another
9 is not a
create.
key, no?
No, sir. No.
So it will.
We have only one key, sir.
So this will be false. Then it will create
9 as a key.
Yeah.
Key.
So your dy will be like this. 4 is to
List of 2,
comma 9
3, 9
and corresponding you have created a list. Sorry,
list 3.
Okay, na? Yeah.
Next
Will
is
come here and then you will add the value of a. A will be what here? Then
3.
it will become 3.
3.
Agree?
Agree, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Now next A will be what?
4.
-2.
-2. A will be -2, sir.
-2, yeah.
A will be
-2.
from where I'm getting from here. Everybody is able to understand what I'm trying to write here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Last time I skipped that's why was confusion.
Yeah. That's
Yeah. Now A is -2 again. B will be what then?
B is 4.
Dx of A. So dx of -2. Dx of
That is 4, sir.
4.
4.
Okay. Now 4 is there. Now we are going to check if not is key dy. Dy is what?
It
This
is
is
Sir, the key 4 is already a key. Sorry,
This is the no dy.
Yes, sir.
It's already a key, so
B
it will not
4.
go
Is the
inside.
key or not? Key is there?
Yes, sir.
Is there, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This will be true, but not true will be false. It will not go inside. It will come here and d of b. It will what? Corresponding 4. It will be added a. So here it will be what?
-2.
-2.
Sorry, minus. What I wrote?
-2.
2. -2.
Sorry, I have written for this. Sorry, I have to copy this guy. Just sorry.
No, sir. -2. Yes.
Yeah. Control C. This will be
-2.
Comma -2.
agree, everyone?
Agree,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now again, let us control C. Now you have
Now
say now minus 2 4.
4, sir.
Now key is 4. What is the value of B? D
16, sir.
16.
That's 4. 16?
Yes, sir.
16. Sorry. Yeah, B will be 16. Now 16. So now
16 is the key.
Key in DY?
Not a key.
Not a key.
Not a
Not
key.
a
So
key.
what it will do? It will create a key.
Yes,
Create a
sir.
new list.
Create a key and
Empty
destroy.
list.
है ना?
Yes,
Agree?
sir.
Now it will come corresponding B.
And add
Add
A.
the bracket 4.
What it will add? A.
4.
4.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Now again next value correspond.
It is enough, sir. Understood.
Next is 16.
Yeah. Now last is what?
It will jump from
minus 4.
Now
minus 4.
Minus 4. Chalo. Minus 4. And what is the corresponding value you have?
16.
16.
16, sir.
16, na?
Yes, it's a
16 is there. Now come here.
Skip 5 and 6.
Yeah.
Then-
So do you think that B, which is 16, is a key in DY?
It is
Yeah.
present.
Yes. Do you think it will go?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It will come here and it will append the value of A.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Minus 4.
So this will be your answer.
Yeah. We are going to decide result. Yeah.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is a question like 4 marks were scored by a serial number of 2 and minus 2, some kind.
What is that? How much marks is there? Obviously 4 marks something. 4 marks question is there. Yeah. Okay. So next question I think he has asked. Atharv, no?
Abhinav, sir.
Abhinav. Sorry. What was the number? I think
Let me tell you, sir.
191. I think no.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
191 or 93. This is the one.
One
No?
from 191 to 193. Sir.
Yeah.
They are related.
Sir, these questions are sent to you through Discourse forum, right?
Through mail. Through mail.
Through mail. Okay, the mail ID is available from that because I don't have access to the forum. I've complained several times through the support team.
Yeah, similarly, I don't have access to Discourse.
Also, I don't have.
Not only that, sir, whatever recorded videos are there, those videos also I'm not able to access. So I'm having a problem with mathematics mock test, this thing.
So recorded videos comes on YouTube. How come you don't have access to YouTube?
What happened? What happened? Tell me, guys. I'm also part of conversation.
Recorded session, she means the TA sessions, those recorded. If
Yeah,
okay.
those which doesn't have the YouTube link.
Yeah, I
The
think
video.
that is not recorded. If it is recorded, I don't know. I mean, is it recorded?
No, it's
yeah,
it's
TA
recorded, sir.
TA session are recorded.
They
Sir.
might
need
be
access.
sharing. It will be not into, but he might be sharing through your discussion forum or through Discord.
It is attached in calendar, sir. The link is
Yeah.
attached in calendar.
Then watch that. No?
Yeah.
I'm there, I'm not able to access it. But
I think YouTube link is there. It will be not listed. Chalo. So let us see this question. 191. Okay. Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, you are.
We are here.
Okay. So in this question, the following pseudocode generates a graph G from chase. Actually, in this, what I say, there is a one sentence is actually missing. Actually, means chase. How chase will look like? No, that should be given. I mean, chase should be like this. That's
Yeah, we try this question like it is a list of win, loss, win, some kind of.
Yes. I think somewhere it is earlier. It was in somewhere graded or something.
It is, yeah, it is in GA assignment, question number 5.
So actually,
Week 11.
This is actually that's why, like, you cannot see chase because chase information is not given. Then how we can iterate through chase? Obviously, you can imagine chase is a
like win, loss.
This chase is a
list of
matches
like play between me and someone else.
Yeah. So generally, the first is actually, I think it is told by that those who like 5 or 0, 4 or 0 is written there, no? Then it is saying that 4 has beaten 0.
Okay.
4
Then
defeated 0. Like
fourth player beaten 0.
Yeah. In pairs, it is written there. So each now we will understand little bit more. Like
Participate.
each node correspond to a player. There is an age from I to J. If player I has beaten player J at least one. Okay. Each age
Okay.
is associated with a level T that denotes the number of times player I has beaten player J. So in the tournament, choose the correct code fragment. So this is matrix you have for the all players. It is given. Now it is iterating through that. So in chase list, it is a pair of list. I mean,
So, sir, hello. In question, we have to make a matrix by pseudocode, right? Like
yeah,
four.
it's creating pseudocode is created. So you should understand that how you can create a matrix Mij because information is given here.
Okay.
Yeah, because see what is happening. Listen one more time. What is happening here? No, so the following pseudocode creates a graph G using the matrix that G, M. Okay. In from a chase is actually you can say that list.
List of list.
Elements are pair of element. You can this is list of list. No.
Okay.
Element is actually representing a list. And
List
the
of
meaning
list,
is
okay.
that if the first of this guy is actually for the those who have been like first will be the winner, and second will be the loser.
Loser, okay.
4 has been beaten, 0.
Okay.
Anna?
Yes, sir, understood.
So now if you go the now you understood that, and then there is a age from I to J. If I is J is it there?
The question is clear, sir. Now.
Now each just a minute,
okay.
For other each node is associated with level E. So means node on that this is level is also given, means how many times player I has beaten J. Okay. And that you can represent in matrix how you can count the number like 1, 2, 3, 4 like this is there. Okay.
Right, sir.
Now choose the correct code fragment to complete the pseudocode. So you have matrix, create matrix n comma n. So it will be for the all the players. It will be 0 0 initially all values. Now coming in. So for each match in chess. So okay, you are the first. So when you go first time, so then what will be the match? You will go through the each and every elements, na?
Okay.
So first element, let us say I assume let more elements are there. Then 0 might have beaten 5. 4 might have beaten
3.
3.
Okay.
And 2. And
okay.
Let us say 4 comma 0 can happen more than 1.
Yes, sir. It is weighted graph.
Yeah, 4 can beat 0 twice also, no?
Multiple times.
Another match.
Yeah, if they play multiple times, then
yeah, Abhishek. Yeah, let others to speak also. Okay. Yeah, others. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now for each match in chess, so when you go first time in list, this is your first element 4 0. Now I believe first of match. Okay. So what will be the value of I you will have? When you write first of match, what will be the value of
4?
And what will be the value of J?
0.
Okay. Then what you will do? Matrix
4 to 0.
I J. So meaning 4 0. You will make it what?
1.
Yeah. Okay. So it says that 4 has beaten 0 1. So it will come for all and it will do for 0 5 will be 1, 4 2 0 will be 1. Again 4 0 comes, then still it is. But what do you think it should be?
Increment.
It should be incremented now because 4 has beaten 0 twice.
Already. Yeah.
So do you think this is correct code?
No.
No, it's incorrect.
Now this is all things are same, but this is there. So when it comes for this guy, it will be incremented by 1 and it will be 2. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So option B is correct. This is ulta it actually it is doing. I mean last of match and first, but this information is should be given, but yeah, this is wrong actually because it is checking for the last. Mij is representing from node I to J there is a connection. Okay. but it is doing ulta. I is equal to last of match. So it is 0 to 4 will be connection, not 4 to 0 will be connection, according to option number C. Here it is saying that if I has beaten, then you have incremented. It is also saying that J has also beaten I, but that is the case, no?
Yeah.
It's 4 has beaten 0 doesn't mean that 0 will also beat 4.
Yeah.
So this was actually question. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, why it's saying I is first match and J is last match? It's confusing.
Yeah. So actually that part.
That should be I is the first player and J is second player.
Yeah. So the what's your name actually?
My name is R.K. Sharma.
R.K. Sharma.
Yeah, I was stuck there.
The question.
Yeah. So the thing is that in this question, some part is missing actually. So how this list chase is explained, that is the missing part here. I think I don't in this set is missing, or I don't know. Main question it would be there, but in set there is a missing in that. In this chase is actually saying that no, it will be a list of lists, and it says that the first of this one is actually a winner and second is actually a loser. Means fourth has written 0. That's why I'm information I'm using through updating for updating the matrix IJ.
Sir, this is sub question, sir. At the top, they have given information. I think.
Yeah, see, oh my God, that's why I was not reading. Yeah, see, informations are given. Thank you. What's your name? Sharvani. Yeah, see, information is the chase is conducted for n players. That's why I was somewhere it will be missing. I don't know, but it is actually given. So it is saying that this tournament is conducted. Each player plays with every player d10s. Okay, the result is matches either win or loss. Yes, the result stored in a chess. Each match where I beats J is recorded as a player I and J. See, given no.
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear what I was trying to say, that chess. That sentence, that para I was looking for. I couldn't see. I also couldn't see that one. Thank you. Yeah, now it is clear. I think Abhishek.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Abhinav?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. You had some more question. I think one.
The part, the sub part is there.
Where which question you have doubt?
196.
196. Yeah. 196. Yeah. What is your doubt in this?
It is clear.
It is cleared earlier in other question that you
explained.
Make us understand. Yes.
So yeah. So this one you have to understand that how it is being calculated and all this. This is connected one. So first you have to look at this, how this is created, and based on that you have to make a judgment. Like this is the case, then this will be possible or not. Like that you have to check.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Got this.
Okay. So what else, and what is the doubt others are having? Did I miss any doubt? Okay, that color me who had doubt. You see, color me I can explain, but it will take a lot of. I don't think so. That is the last time it is necessary, and don't think so. That type of questions are there. Okay, so color me is pending from my side. I mean, it will take time, but that stuff is not.
How many questions can we accept?
Color me who had doubt. How many are there? Maybe I can take sessions, but not today. I think it will be because tomorrow you guys have.
Yes, sir. I guess if it is not needed, then
yeah, it's not needed currently because that is the 1 hour that it will take for the clear explanation. That I think I have explained in some of the lecture. If you go back, maybe I will share that lecture link with you guys. You can go and watch that one. I have explained. I've given at least 1 hour to explain that question.
Yeah,
maybe.
sir. But that the last
Yes,
moment,
sir.
if it is not needed, like we can.
So I will share the link. Please watch. If you are still having doubt. Anyway, you guys will be join. Maybe I think I will conduct one session after your examination for taking your feedbacks and all. How was your term and all these things. So if no doubts are there, and last.
So how many questions can we expect tomorrow?
How many questions? Again, it's a tough for me to answer. I mean, I also don't know how many questions are there, but it will be enough. I mean. It will be.
PA says there will be 23 or 24.
You will be able to finish within less than 1.5 hours. ठीक है, it is always time saving. And please, whenever you see the few tips I want to give you guys, thing is that if it is possible that if you are not able to get any question in 1 or 2 minutes, move to the another question. I mean, there may be some questions that is little easy to get the confidence, so try to do, if you spend little time, 1 or 2 minutes, do that. If you are able to reach the solution, do that one. If you are stuck that one, for that time you just go to leave that one, go to the next question. Second is that second is that let me show some question like that. If you see very long question, break into the parts. I mean, break into the parts. Yeah, so no, this is where we have procedure or something. Sorry. No, this is sorry. Yeah, so can you see this? This is a little bit lengthy, you can say, but you can break into parts. You can see that this, in this case you are updating the item D. In this case, once you create item D, then you are going to do. So update D is a procedure which is here. So once you understand what is happening here, then no need to look it again and again. Then you if you are able to reach the what item D. See, in list and dictionary, if any questions are there or if any matrix related question is there, try, if you are not able to understand, what you do, just take a dummy data, like what in that question it was given, but generally I take a like dummy data, I mean 2 or 3 data points, and try to execute the code so that I will have a little bit a clear picture of how your dictionary will look like. I'm not telling that you should reach the exact dictionary for all data sets, but you should have a clear picture of that how your dictionary will look like, that what is the key actually representing and corresponding what value is actually representing. Okay, if you are able to get at least how to create a dictionary, there you're more than 60 to 70% of question to answer that particular question, you are done with that. Just you have to read the next part of the sentence, like this one, you will be able to reach easily. Means if you understand what I is actually representing, what J is actually representing, because you know actually why item D is there. You can simply say item I and J, so you can say that item D will be a dictionary which is a nested dictionary, because you are having 2 keys are there. So that you can also cross check. So in this type of question, first you try to just take a dummy data and execute. If you feel very much difficult, okay, I am not able to understand, then take a dummy data. Okay, and thing is that also, I mean, you can write on your. I am not telling you to write each and every line of the pseudocode, but you can write like item D, how it will look like on your rough sheet. I mean, we provide rough sheets everywhere. I think everywhere, no. So please,
yes, sir.
Please write item D, like item D I am going to update. So item D, like how your item D will look like. So you can see that item D, what is the first key will have? The first key will be your shop name. So you know the shop name. You have given that what is that Big Bazaar, Sun General. So write for at least 2 Big Bazaar is there. Now inside that, what is actually representing item? So you just write carrot is there, egg is there, banana is there, like that. And what you are updating value, A cost. You can assume now 50, 60, like something you can represent, no? So like that, you should be having the idea how it will look like. And third thing is that obviously you are going to pass, that I'm pretty much sure. I think the regular guys, those who are coming to session, also those who are not coming to session also, because they might have background of these things, so obviously they will pass. But doing some good questions, you need to put little bit time, because we cannot give each and every question very easy and very tough. Some it is like composition, means there will be easy, medium, and hard. So hard will be also there, medium will be there, easy will be also there. So to get the confidence, you can start with the easy one. And yeah, if combinations are there, I mean CT, stats, maths, I think generally you should start with the subject which are having you have more confidence. Means you can able to finish that particular subject very fast. If you are stuck with, let us say, mathematics is a little bit lengthy, I mean then you need to do a lot of calculation. If you are not able to do now, then your confidence will lose out. So always try to do that subjects which are you are very much having good command. Okay? And
Sir, what is the weightage, sir?
Weightage of
In terms of what can you expect in terms of which concepts will be more?
Week wise weightage, sir. Which questions are pretty much sure to come?
Week wise, the mostly focus will be this side. I mean, from after like least dictionary, matrix, graph theory. Week 1 to 4, I don't think so many questions are there, but from this side, questions will be there. So week 1 to 4 for your brush up and for getting confidence. So that was the easy part type of question, because we cannot ask so much hard questions from that side. No? So the weightage will be this side only. And also graph theory, recursion, these type questions will be there. But list and dictionary, you have to really revise. That is the thing. So weightage will be this side, not before the qualifier examination. Okay. The more questions will come from this side. I cannot tell you that how much percentage will come this. I don't know also. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So take a break now. You guys have session from 6 to 8. No. Start. Yeah.
Can I ask a small question about list?
Yeah. Tell me. Yeah. Ask.
Can list have different data types?
Yeah.
For example, anything like price and name, anything, right?
Anything. See, did you miss that session? What I have taken?
Yeah, I missed it.
Yeah.
It's okay.
So guys, I tell you. I mean, let me. I mean, people knows. I think. I mean.
Yes, sir. That YouTube link is there, and I went.
Yeah,
back
I'll check
and
it.
I
I'll
also
check
missed the
the
session, but
Yeah,
it
yeah.
helped a lot. It really helped a lot.
Yes. So I tell you what are the lectures you are supposed to look at for the least dictionary.
Okay.
Sir, can you please put that link
Yeah.
in?
Yeah, guys, just a minute. Yes. Yeah. So if you go to the playlist of the list, CT, I think concept of dictionary. This is the lecture. You just watch that. Then
Week 2. Okay, sir.
Concept for the list. I think week 5 open session.
No, sir.
No, there is
Open
separate
session
one
7.
for
There was one
dictionary
special
and
session, sir.
Which
Special
one?
session for
Open session week 7. 7.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think initial in beginning of the.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Is it
Sir.
this one? I know in open session I have taken. No, in week 6 I have taken. I think open session.
Sir, can you just tell the playlist link in the chat on Zoom?
Yeah, it is session, sir. List of list.
Yeah. This is the session, I think. No.
Yeah. Here you tell everything.
Week 6 or week 7? Oh, week 7.
Open session week 6.
Yeah.
Week 6,
So open session week 6.
Okay, sir.
Initial part of the lecture. Open session. ठीक है ना?
Okay, I can see that. Okay, it's fine.
And for the dictionary, it is already given concept of dictionary.
Yeah,
And
dictionary.
for 9 and 10th, I mean, for graph theory, recursion, I think Karthik has that session taken. I think we somewhere a revision session. You go ET revision session, in-term revision session, week 9.
Yeah,
watch that lecture also.
Okay, sure, sir.
Deepak,
Thank
sir,
you.
can you this
Yeah.
playlist from which you're
Yeah. See,
showing us
if
the
you go
videos?
if you go to that IITM.
Yes, sir, I am there
IITM
now.
BS degree is there.
Item page, yeah, then only you'll get a
Go to playlist. If you click on playlist, all things will be there. Can you see this?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Linear statistics, CT is there, stats 1. So you click on that, then at right, you will have all the playlists. Okay.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay.
And does anyone get the exam link?
One by one. I am not able to hear. Yeah, tell me, what is that?
Does anyone get the exam link? Please.
Exam?
Exam link and the ID.
Exam link? What is that exam link?
I mean the mail regarding exam link. We'll get exam link and the password ID.
No. So this is not online. No, I mean you have to go to the center.
No, actually I'm writing at home.
Okay, so maybe you will get. I will get tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay, usually one day before we'll get it actually.
Okay,
But
maybe tonight you might be getting some.
okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
And so before we end, I have one doubt. I have asked you in the discourse actually.
What was that? I tried to find, but I didn't get. I mean, where is that? But where did you tag me? I mean,
No, like okay, I'll post you the link.
yeah, miss. I tried to find. Miss, you didn't. Where is that? I didn't find like. What is your raw registration number?
Wait a minute, so I will tell you. It's 22F3 002451. 2451.
It's not coming. 22F3 002451. No.
22F3 002451. Yes, sir.
Oh, it's not coming.
It's not. Yeah. I have posted it.
Send that question again if you can.
Okay. Maybe you can send mail to me that question. That okay for
I
you?
just like just in one line clarification I need
Tell
on
me
that
what
question.
is what is your doubt? Then ask me. No?
If I can share this link on the chat, wait a minute, sir. I'll just share if I can.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I have posted the link in the chat, sir.
Okay. Let me find where is the chat. Yeah. What is
in this question, like why, sir, none of these?
Let n with the number of rows in words table and adjacency matrix is constructed using the following.
Like according to me, like option C can be the answer.
Take two words as the input and returns true if both words contain the same letters and return false again. So I assume that there exists a procedure check similar which takes two words as an input and returns true if both words contain the same letter and returns false otherwise. Okay, so that two words contain same letters. Okay.
Yes.
I mean that. So do you think that both words should have same length?
It should have same.
No, it can be a repetition also, but it should contain the same letters. That is also the mean, no? Mistake similar, which takes two words as an input and returns true if both words contain the same letters.
Yes.
So it doesn't mean the letter count should be same.
Okay.
Okay. So now what is the question actually?
When there will be an edge from I to J.
Okay.
So like if I and J are similar, then J and I should also be
If
similar.
I and J is not if Aij is 1, then Aj will be 1. No, okay. So let us say one word is there. I mean, say let us say it is there. It, it, I is it.
Yes, sir.
And another word is little. So it is present in J. But little word, all letters are present in it.
No.
Then.
No. Okay.
Understood.
Okay, sir. So it is not a symmetric matrix actually.
Yes, obviously. Yes, no. That is what the first my assumption was also the same. I mean, letter count shouldn't be same. I mean, letter count, no. Okay, chalo. Done, no?
Okay, sir. Okay. So like none of these conditions will be satisfied.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay, so I'm going to stop the session.
One very important thing on the Google group, sir. For September 2022, I inside the
2020.
PTO. Yes. in the discussion forum list of computational thinking, I have posted a problem that I'm facing. I'm unable to access the forum through the subject site.
Oh, you are not able to access the forum.
Yes, sir.
Even I'm not able to access.
Me
the
too,
forum.
sir. I'm not able
That
to.
problem
Showing
is
an
there.
error saying that sorry, access to this forum is by invite only.
Yeah,
I tried logging in with my
official
IIT
email,
email.
official mail ID.
But
right?
discussion
But I
forum, I
couldn't.
think it becomes active, or I mean, after that term, I don't know, it becomes deactivated or not. Let me check with the. But you guys are added to Discourse, no?
I am
No.
not able to access from anywhere. Like
I don't know,
In
sir.
the
Like same
Actually,
thing
sir,
is coming to me. We can join
link
Discourse by
for
invite
Discourse.
only.
Yes,
So
sir.
maybe
Yes, yes.
everyone can try to find that link, and if they are not able to find that link, I have provided the email ID for the head of the IT team. They can alternatively write to
Okay.
Mr. J as well and ask him.
Yeah, JK might have sent you the invite mail to join the Discourse. Those who have got the email ID from our end, then you will be able to join the Discourse. You have to accept that one. And for the discussion forum, I don't know. The once you get the Discourse link, will you able to be in the? I will check that one. But it is necessary for you. I mean, who has? Think Palash people. What is that?
Sir, we can't ask doubts
Yes,
in
sir. That is me.
Discourse.
That is me.
We can't ask in Discourse in form.
No,
Like,
Discourse you can ask. No, you got the email ID, no, from our end.
sir, the page you opened when we click on forum, right?
No, forum. So this is for the term Q22 last. No, this is. Let me check. So you guys have 23 Q1. No? So those who have what is that qualified this time. So forum, if we click here, it will come to the another page, and I will be not able to join through this account, but I have another account, through that I will be able to join this one.
Yeah, when we click na sir, they say you can only join by invite only.
Abhishek, actually, it was the link, that invitation link was actually sent in the start of the term.
Yes.
Probably it might have been it might have
missed or something.
expired by
check
now.
in a spam also. Maybe sometimes
Okay.
it goes to spam.
It could have,
in my case, I was able to access in between for 2-3 days. Then again, I'm not able to access after that.
I have provided the email ID of the IT head. You can write to him and ask him to send you new invitation link.
Like JKM at the rate.
Yes,
This one.
yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So maybe is it necessary to check now discussion forum?
Oh, no, sir. We are we are just
end of the
practicing
term.
Yeah,
questions.
please first try to revise all these things, brush up things, and do well in examination. And
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you so
Thank
much,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
we'll have a non-technical discussion with you guys after this inter. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thanks for joining, and have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Do
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Your
Thank you, sir.
sessions were so helpful.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have doubt.
What doubt do you have? I'm going to close the session.
No, sir, it's general doubt.
Yeah, but so any doubt? Okay, tell me fast.
Sir, I got email like the email is your diploma completion status as of end of April 2023.
Yeah, just
Actually,
ignore that mail.
okay,
Even I
it's
got that mail. Even I got that mail. Just ignore it. It's not for us.
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay then.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Sir,
Thank you so
thank
much,
you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you, sir.